Yeah, we'll go get her here in a moment. Why do I have the hiccups? What the frick? What is my teammate doing? Maybe he's offended that I called him a child. Like, how is he in these lobbies? You guys see that right there? Like, somebody just fall? Oh, nobody fell their death right there. I'm just going in. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm saying these are scrim lobbies. What's he doing? He's gonna die down there. He's following me around with no weapons or anything, chat. Oh, he's getting some mats. Maybe he's just gonna build, you know? If I had my shotgun out. Alright, let's get a full cam pup. Shall we? Let me go get her.
I know, I'm letting you walk in. Come on, come over here. Come on. Come here.
Letting her sniff.
What'd you sniff? Okay, here we go. Oh, who's my big pupper? Say hi. Big yawn. Say hi. Okay, okay. Say bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Thank you. You did so good. Woohoo. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
I think she starts panting in here because it's definitely way hotter than it is out there. She like full on bit my face. Chat, did everybody say hi to the pup? Did everybody say hi? Because she's gonna be offended and I'm gonna have to deal with that emotional trauma later. She's gonna be such a nice breed dog. I know. Let's come back and say hello again. As soon as she comes in here, she's like, It's hot. Hi, pup. Yep, she's my pup. It's funny, so I'll put her, you know, in her crate for when she takes a nap, and then when she gets up, I let her out, but then I always charge one like big puppy hug. And it annoys her. She'll like try walking by, and I'm like, nope, you know the cost. Just, you know, puppy things, and give her a squeeze. How old is she? She's like 3 months, I think, around there. No rocks for the puppy. Not good. She's gonna be big. She's only supposed to get to about 45 pounds, but she does have a chance of becoming a brute, so I don't know if she's gonna stop and be normal-sized female for her breed, or if she's gonna be a big old dog. Hi. Yeah, I've had her for a month now. It's kind of crazy. I can't wear any like clothes I like with her. I always have to wear like chunky sweaters that I don't particularly care for. As you guys can see, she will destroy them. Hello? Chat, why is my camera not on normal size? There we go. You guys let me bring the puppy in here with not on normal size cam. Sorry, Gubba. I can't ping. My painting was messed up the other day. I think an update broke it. Yeah. Ooh. What the? Can do it. Oh my gosh, I got so much stuff. All right. What the? I'm trying Apex? Duh. Gub stretch. Ooh, chat, do you guys have any fun plans for the weekend? Just a reminder that there's no stream tomorrow, but I will be streaming Monday. Jimmy a bot. What's an up and on? Hello? Enjoying the weather tomorrow? I love that. What about you? Just chilling with my pup. Braved Costco this morning. Was it absolutely packed and nuts? Or like, did they have water? Did they have
Where do you
TP?
want to land?
What?
Where you want to land?
I'll let you choose. I always choose.
Hope doesn't.
Are you good at this game?
Not really.
Oh, okay. He's honest.
You go doghouse. I'll let someone else come.
Here's my mom and little guys tonight. I'm gonna play some Uno later and order pizza. That sounds awesome. Oh, Mario Kart with subs. Oh, we did Mario Kart with subs like an hour ago. Now we're doing guy in the tree.
Okay. Dead?
You got him. Nice. What was that person doing?
I don't know what he was doing. I got a mini for you.
Oh, I have a mini for you.
Okay. I have minis.
Okay. What's up, Tooth?
Sorry?
Huh? What?
Your mic cut out.
Sorry, I have the hiccups.
It's okay. What'd you say?
I have the hiccups.
Oh, okay.
Oh, guy right here.
Okay, I'm throwing nades. Got him? Nice.
Why did that take so long?
I'm gonna go to the basement over here.
Okay. The guy right. Yep.
Where? Oh, I see him. Correct. I got more kids on me.
Went there early, but they sold out
Oh
TP
my
and paper towels
goodness.
after the first hour of opening. Lots of water. Seemed like a normal weekend. People were buying
Okay.
way more than normal of those items. Yeah, makes sense. I have a ton of TP and paper towels from Costco. I wonder if all other stores like Walmart and Target are selling out of TP too. Does anybody know? Got to get water balls? Oh, I got water balls too. She's barking. She wants to come say hi. We gotta save the last puppy visit for a dub. Well, she's supposed to be good luck. 5 packs of the huge packs, so there was a limit to 2 per person. Oh dang. I got my TP like 2 weeks ago, I think. Dried mango at Costco. I haven't in a long time, but yeah, it is really good. I usually get dried mango at Trader Joe's. My aim is impeccable today. Hello? Private sellers trying to get $25 for a 16-ounce bottle of rubbing alcohol? Dang. I feel like that's a little silly. Same with like hand sanitizer and stuff like Amazon. Hey, thank you, Sheena. I'm just like, you just gotta wash your hands, you know? So just wash your hands. I don't know what the need is for a ton of hand sanitizer. Right? Or nah?
Talking to shit. Fucking pistol, dude. God.
It wasn't bad. Winco still had lots of stuff. Yeah, that's what I was wondering about other stores just besides Costco. Do I still have the hiccups? My ears, chat? I'm sorry. It's very naughty. Oh, I put this sweater on for bringing on the puppy because she bites everything. So I don't care if she bites the sweater. The shirt I'm wearing, on the other hand, I wouldn't be too happy if she bit it. I'd be a little sad. So then there'd be a hole. Yeah, he was upset about the pistol. Yeah, I guess that makes sense for like kids using hand sanitizer, but I don't know, the corona. It's spread in chat. Do any of you guys have trips coming up? Are any of you guys braving it and going on any trips or cruises or anything? Like I was saying yesterday, I couldn't imagine people who like plan their honeymoons and stuff, and then all of a sudden this happened. Imagine all the people who were on their honeymoon for the cruises that got under quarantine. Ooh. That's a bummer. But it makes more sense by hand sanitizer than TP and water. Yeah, I feel like the TP and water thing is overhyped. I think it's just like if society broke down to make sure you have TP and water. Hello?
Hello? What do you mean? I don't have a thousand.
I can't listen to that. I'm sorry, chat. I wouldn't want to go on a cruise either. Yeah, I'm sure it'll probably be cleared up by the end of the year. All right, this is gonna be my last round. I don't know how this goes. Open mics are just so rough. Why would I want to hear everything? Every time. All right, chat, let's go chat. Let's go have a good Saturday wholesome chat. Cause I mean, Fortnite, but I mean, can you beat that win we got last night? I don't think you can. Yeah, there is no choice but to mute. I completely agree. Completely agree. All right, I'm gonna go see what the pup is doing. Bring her in. I'm sure she'll want to come on an adventure. Be right back. Oh my god! Oh my god! She don't want to come. She won't go. Sorry, chat. You guys just got denied. I got a few last rounds today. Was I honest in my last round? Like, I think when I said last round, that was my last round. You were. Even I'm scared. She's a fierce, independent girl. Yeah. We have like these stand downs I was telling chat where it's like I'm like sit and she's just sitting there staring at me like I'm not sitting. And so I have to be like sit. Make her sit. And both Mario and Fort what? Chat, what? What the? I feel like a marshmallow. It's nice and cozy. But yeah, I don't have too many plans for this weekend, chat. Just working on stream stuff. Tetris 99? No. Shiba Inu. Let's see, is that? Yeah. Those are cute. These dogs are from Japan, yeah? Aren't you working on stream stuff? I mean, there's sometimes. Yeah, Gub Librarian, what's she gonna post? Working on updates, don't turn off your computer. Oh, that sucks. She wasn't known for being stubborn. Yeah, that's what I read about them. They're super cute though. They do kind of look like Kryllians a bit. Curly tail and everything. And then stream schedule will be a little different next week because I will be streaming Monday, just so everybody knows. Feisty, thank you for the gifted sub. I appreciate it. Thank you. No stream tomorrow, but stream on Monday? Yup. And it'll be around normal time Monday too. I'll know for sure and let you know. On Twitter, as I usually do. A spoonful of sugar, hold on your tongue till it dissolves. That would help the hiccups. Holy crap, spoonful of sugar? I'm trying to lose 20 pounds, not gain it. Will there be an off day makeup for Monday? Probably. I don't know what day yet. Because Monday and Tuesday we both have things going on. A tablespoon, just a teaspoon should help. Do I still have the hiccups? I'm not even noticing as I, oh yep, as I talk. This will cure my hiccups. They should be gone. I miss the puppy. She's been on twice. She'll be back on another though. I tried to call her for the last time, but she didn't want to come. Weekly hypes with the puppy when she can. That'd be an awesome form of exercise. You find hiking place near me? Definitely do it. And yes. Yes. Chat, my hiccups are gone.